you gonna call me like you said you would? Is this really your real phone number?
Some of y'all go get washed, some of y'all just go pop shit, some of y'all just go talk, but none of y'all ain't really got shit, some of y'all just look lost. I get this type of feel you ain't accustomed to. I swear I'll be at peace if it weren't for you. Yeah, yeah, only want your love if it's silent. But if it fuck me, then fuck you, and that's the way I like it.
Unfortunately, I did not get a video because I was tired and I wanted to go home. But this is usually what his hair looks like once I'm done. Hey babe, spend the day with me. So here's my first client. He showed me the style that he wanted and it was really simple, really cute. So these are the products that I'll be using. If you want to check them out, they're on my website, link in my bio. And I just started off by molding everything down and the usual, as you guys can see. And I was really feeling like not down today, but I was not in the best of moods. Like I just knew it was going to be a busy day, and it was so busy that I had a break and I ended up working instead of like taking my lunch. But anyways, this is how the first one came out. Really cute, quick. It didn't take too long. He was out of the chair in like maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours, so not bad at all. And moving on now to my second client. His hair is, he started coming to me when it was probably like about 2 inches. Now it's like grown out. It's doing really well, and I love to see clients that come in with short hair because I know I'm gonna do a good job. Like I'm not worried at all, and it came out so cute, really neat, and his hair is definitely growing really nicely. This was my third client, and she was only getting 2 braids, so I knew it was gonna be a really quick style. I wasn't even worried at all. And it was cute, and we were watching Abbott Elementary. I don't know if you guys like that show, but it's so good, and I like the fact that she loves to watch it because then we could gossip about it. And this is the finished look, really cute, super sleek, and
I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for 30, I'm 30 for